Okay, so we got called out to a job. Got 3 Vaillant boilers in a row. The all system boilers. Only one's working, and even that I've noticed is leaking water from underneath. This middle one's been off for a long time. That needs repairing, and this one's gone faulty recently, and this needs repairing as well. Now the symptoms on this one is, if you can hear it, demand's on. It's trying to ignite, but it cannot. The gas valve's not opening. You may see an ignition shortly. Yep, so there's ignition, but gas valve doesn't seem to be opening. Now, I'm going to open it up and have a quick look inside to see if there is any power going to the gas valve. Gas valve connector there. So we need to check if there is any power going to the gas valve when it's trying to ignite. This connector for the gas valve is low voltage. So, and it's DC. So we'll just remove this cover safely, and these 2 cables on this gas valve's connected to this connector here. The first 2 cables is what we need to check. Okay, so we'll set the meter to DC volts. Not sure if you can see it from there. Yeah, seems like there's no voltage going. No, so there's no voltage going from the PCB by the looks of it. Yeah, I'm not sure whether you noticed, but when it's trying to ignite, it should be sending around 10 volts, if I remember correctly, to the gas valve coil, and then around 22 to 24 volts to open it up, which should drop down to about 15-16 volts. Sometimes it drops down to even lower. But as you can see, it's trying to ignite. It's sending some voltage, but before the meter can read it, it cuts out, and then it's trying to ignite again. So it seems like there is a fault with the PCB. Ultimately, if you leave it long enough, I believe it gives that F61 code. So that's what it's doing. Okay, so we've got the PCB in now. I need to change this connector with that one, but currently there's constant demand and everything's working as it should. I'll just try to show you, I'll place my phone in here, see if I can show you the voltage that we should have been getting compared to what we were getting with the voltage PCB. So on the front connector, we should be getting around 15 to 16 volts. As you can see, DC, when it fires up, we get around 22 to 24 volts, then it drops down to 15 to 16 volts DC. Yep. That's all done.